Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You're watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to use marketplace on Facebook. As we all know, market is the place where we can buy or sold our things. Similarly, Facebook is an excellent social media online platform which offers marketplace to find new and used items such as vehicles, apparel, electronics, home goods, musical instruments, classifieds, toys and games, and even the house for rent and sale. Log into the Facebook, look for the marketplace tab in left column on home page. Click on it to open. Here we will get every kind of products. We can browse all the items that are posted by others to sale at a time, or select a specific category to view only those items. From here it is easy to see things for sale from people near us, find the best deals for new and old items, and we can contact with the direct owner without any mediator so that we will get products for less cost. We can also create new listing for our own brands. I will show you this in my coming tutorial. In this video, let's focus on how to buy a product. Select a category and we can apply filters from where we want to buy, and set the radius so that it will display brands availability within this radius. After that, select the price range and select the item condition. We can select new one or used one. After that, come to brand, select a suitable brand, otherwise it will display all the brands products. And in right panel, when you find your favorite brand, just click on it to view more information. And here it is showing the brand name, cost, and its availability. Scroll down to check the owner, and if you want to ask more detail, just click on send seller a message and enter our doubts in the text field. Then the seller directly contact us through messenger and we can find out full product info, and if we want, we can bargain with them to get a good deal. And if you want to save this, just click on save option to buy in future, and we can also share this with our friends. But one thing, remember that if you want to buy a product from Facebook Marketplace, learn more about the item we want to buy, ask more info before buying an item to check its condition, and make sure you are able to see items picture in different angles. Also find the items history, authenticity and current condition, and also check about the seller by looking at their profile, review their activity in marketplace, and also review any ratings they got. And one more important thing is, never share any personal and banking information with them. Always use messenger to communicate with them. If you feel the owner is genuine, we can collect his contact number and proceed further. Like this, we can use marketplace on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.